So in last class, we are discussing some Python basic program and basic editors where we can install Python and where we can run the programs in Python, all these things. And let me try to open Visual Studio Code. Let me try to open the notes one more time. Open the folder. File, open folder. The folder is Python 11 AM. I want to open the folder first. Inside the folder, I want to go to the notes. So these are the multiple editors. Better we can do a complete programming practice in Jupyter Notebook only. Okay. So, but before that, let me go with the basic concepts in Python. The first very important concept is about comments in Python. Comments in Python. So how comments are going to be working for? Comments are basically using for commenting code. Comments are basically using for commenting code. And one more point, comments are using for understand flow of the code. Comments are using for understand flow of the code. So how the code flow is actually available. What is the benefit of the particular part of the code? What you can understand using the comments. And one more point. There are two types of comments. Comments are two types in Python. Comments are two types in Python. The one is single line comments. The one is multi-line comments. The one is a single line comments and the one is the multi-line comments. Single line comment, line by line comments will be added. Line by line comments will be added. And that should be using with the hash. Hash and Python code you can write. And one more thing, hash, Python code you can write. Hash Python code, hash Python code. So the number of Python codes, Python lines code we can write that using with the hash symbol. Multi-line comments are using for triple single code. Triple single code open, triple single code close. And inside this, you can write the Python code for multiple lines. So I can write Python code like this. I can write Python code like this. So single line comments and multi-line comments. Single line comments and multi-line comments. So this is a one way of writing multi-line comments, and there is a one more way of writing multi-line comments. I will show that also. This is the one way to write the multi-line comments, and there is the one more way. The one more way is triple double quotes. Triple double quotes open and triple double quotes close. And inside this, you can able to write the Python code, and whatever the code you are writing like this, that will not work out. That will not execute by the interpreter. Okay. So when you want to go with the single line comment, line by line, you have to give the comment using with the hash symbol. When you want to go with the multi-line comment should be like this. This is a multi-line comment. You can able to comment at all the code at the same time using with the triple single code or using with the triple double code also. Okay, let me do one simple program with the comments now. So save and let me go comments. Comments.py. Comments.py. So let me go with a program called addition. So x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. I want to go with the z value. Z is equal to x plus y, and print addition is then z. Addition is something. So addition is z. When I say addition is z, I can able to print the z value over there. So this is the, where is the comment here in this program? Comment is basically available here. So this is something like addition program. And I want to write the one more line of the code. Suppose something like a subtraction program. So by using the comments, we can able to easily understand the code flow, right? I can able to easily understand the code flow. So what is this section of code and what is this section of code? I can able to easily understand, and everybody can able to easily understand. That is the basic benefit of the comments. This is the basically addition program section, and this is the subtraction program section. But everything is available in the same file, but some part of the code for the addition, some part of the code for the subtraction. So we can able to easily understand which section is for addition, which section is for subtraction, like that. So in this way, you can able to understand the comments. And here this is subtraction. X is 100 and Y is 200. And here the thing is X minus Y, or X is 200 and Y is 120. And here X minus Y. What is X minus Y? Z. So this time it is subtraction. This time it is subtraction. So addition and subtraction both are actually available in the same file. Can I keep run this program? So we can able to see two outputs. One is the addition output, one is a subtraction output. Addition is something like 30, subtraction is something like 80. So where I can use comments here, where I can use a single line comments here, single line comment I am using here, and single line comment again I am using here in this case. Am I clear about the single line comments? Can I go with the multi-line comments now? So for example, I want to go with the multiplication program. Multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. Let me go with the A is equal to 10, B is equal to 5. Now I want to go with the C. C is equal to A into B. And finally, I want to go for the multiplication. So copy this, print here, print multiplication is C. Multiplication is what here? C. You can select all the code at the same time. You can select all the code and you can give the control backslash. When I say control backslash, complete code commented at once. Select all the code. Select all the code with your mouse. Select all the code with your mouse. Control backslash. When I say control backslash, automatically the total lines of the code commented at the same time. Or if you want to make it comment open, again select all the below lines of the code. Control backslash again. Control backslash is one note point here. One note point here. What is the note point here? Control plus backslash using for comment multiple lines at the same time and open comment at same time. Okay, so that is a single line comment and multi-line comment. So when you want to use the multi-line comment, when you want to use the single line comment, you have to understand. Can I comment all this code with another syntax? What is another syntax? You can go with the triple single quote you can use, right? So I can use a triple single quote also. When I use a triple single quote, that code will not work out. That code will not execute. So when I run this program, only two prints we can able to see. Why? Because this code is also commented, but this code commented with a multi-line comment. This code commented with a multi-line comment or triple single quotes. Or you can use a triple double quotes also. Triple double quotes also working for multi-line comments. Now, can I execute this program? Only addition is coming, only subtraction is coming, but I cannot able to see the multiplication output. Why multiplication output is not coming? Because of your multiplication code is commented. Getting my point, Pooja? So this is about comments. Let me go with the one more important basic thing, print function. Print is predefined function using for print outputs. Print outputs. Print is predefined function. And how we can write print? Print you can use in the single quote, and print you can use with double quotes. Please come. Print you can go with double quotes. And one more point, print you can go with the triple single quotes, and print you can go with the triple double quotes also. triple double quote open, triple double quote close. Print is the function. Print is the predefined function using for print outputs in Python. Let me write in Python. And how we can use print? Print you can use with the single quotes. Print we can use with the double quotes. Print we can use with the triple single quote. And print we can use with the triple double quotes also. So there are multiple ways to write the print function. Can I write the print now? Take the new program, print. So print.py. Okay, can I go with the print function now? So this is about the print function. Okay, so print with the single quotes. Can I go with the single quotes? Hello Python. Can I go with the double quotes? Python is simple. Can I go with the triple single quotes? Python is using for develop machine learning applications. One more print process. Print with the triple single quotes. Python is using for Python is using for develop AI applications. Triple double quotes. Close with the triple double quotes. Now, everything is print. Everything is print. First line is print. Print with the just a single quotes. Second line also print. Print with the double quotes. Third line also print. Triple single quotes. Triple single quotes open. Triple single quote close. And the last line is also print. Print with the triple double quote and triple double quote. Triple double quote open. Triple double quote close. But everything is print only. Everything is print only. So save it and go to the execution. Now I click on the execution. Now you can see hello Python is there. Python is simple is there. Python is using for development machine learning applications is there. And Python is using for develop AI applications is also there. Am I clear? This is a way of working with the print process. This is a way of working with the print process. Getting clear? And one more important topic we have to discuss, print formatting. Print formatting. So there are multiple ways to work with the print formatting. One is the string concatenation. One is a string concatenation. The another way is a format method. The another way is a percentile. Percentile as specifiers. Specifiers. Okay, the first one, string concatenation. We can do formatting with the concatenation. We can do formatting with the format method. We can do format with the specifiers. Okay, let me go. Formatting, print formatting. Save. Print format dot py. Every file is saving with a .py extension. Every file is going to be saved with .py extension. I'm saving this. Okay, what is the program name? Print format with first one, concatenation. Concatenation. The first program is about concatenation. Okay, so name is equal to something like Pooja. Age is equal to something like 70. Qualification is equal to inter. Now my requirement is simple. My requirement is Pooja doing inter. My requirement is very simple. Pooja doing inter. How to do this? With concatenation. With concatenation, how to do this? Print of. First, I want to gather Puja. How Puja comes with name. Doing. Doing is string. Then enter. Enter available in the qualification. Now, finally, what is the output here? Puja doing. ఇక్కడ ఒక స్పేస్ అండ్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక స్పేస్. Puja space doing space enter. Okay, so what is the plus operator here? Plus operator is doing string concatenation. This is string, and this is string. I want to convert age also into the string. How to convert? I don't want to use age here. So name is string, qualification is string. No need to work with the conversion, type conversion. Directly you can string plus string plus string. So what is the process of this particular statement is string plus string plus string. Final output is also string. Now let me execute this. If I execute this one print statement, Puja doing enter. Puja doing enter. Simple concatenation inside the print. Normally, how to write a simple statement in the same way I am writing the statement. Taking the variable, putting into the print. Taking the variable, putting into the print. That's it. Okay, so this is very simple. Now, my requirement is one more statement I want to write. Puja doing enter in the age of 70. This is my statement. This is my statement now. Now tell me how to do this. Print of the very simple thing. So Puja name plus space doing enter. Enter is qualification plus in the parenthesis plus enter qualification in the age of again in the age of plus str of age. Why? Because age is a number. Age is a number, integer. So I want to convert integer into the string. Otherwise, it cannot able to convert into the string. So finally, the thing is how this is going to be happening with string plus again string plus int of str of int. Then finally, this one is going to be str. And final output is str only. Now print this. Now can you see this? My requirement satisfied or not? Puja doing enter in the age of 17. But this case is very simple case. Formatting everything in the easiest manner. What is the easiest manner? Concatenation. What is the easiest manner? Concatenation. But this is the first way of print formatting. This is the first way of print formatting. So I will write all the programs in the same program. So this program is about print formatting ways. The first way is string concatenation. The second way is, see, I'm writing comments. I'm using print. Whatever the features, whatever the basics we are learning, those we are using in this program. In that way, we are learning Python. In every program, previous concepts will cover. Whatever the previous concepts we covered with, those concepts will be utilized in the next programs and coming programs also. That is the why reason every class is important. Every class is going to be having some connectivity. Previous class and tomorrow class and day after tomorrow class have some connectivity. Yesterday class we done with only editors. Today onwards I am writing programming, and I am going with the first program as comments, second program as print, third program is formatting. The way of learning I am telling. The first program about comments, we need to understand how comments will be. The second program, how to write a print statement. What are the different ways of writing print statement? The third program is print formatting. There are multiple ways of formatting. The first way is string concatenation. Another way is format method. Format method. The third way is %s specifier. Can I clear? Okay, so can I go with the second one? What is the second one? Format. Print format with format method. Program is print format with format method, dot format or format method. You can direct format method. Now here I want to take a different variables. Here I want to take a different variables. Product name. Product name is something like mobile Nexus. Product price 34,000. Product version 7 or 7. Product name is Nexus. Product price is 34,000. That product version is something like 7 in the 7 or 07 or 7. Now my requirement is very simple. I want to print like my mobile is Nexus and version is 7. Mobile is Nexus and version is 7. This is my requirement. But for this requirement, my way of writing is not with the concatenation. My way of print writing is not with the concatenation. My way of print writing with the format process. Print of, go with the single quotes or double quotes or triple single quote or triple double quote, no issues. I am using single quotes now. The first one, my mobile is Nexus. Nexus will go with the 0 place, 0 holder. Curly braces, 0 holder. And version is 1. 0 already done. Now 1. Come out from the colons or come out from the quotes. Come out from the quotes, dot format. Dot format. Inside the format, what is the 0th placeholder value? 0th placeholder value is product name. So access your variable, product name. What is the 1 placeholder value? 1 placeholder value. PRD version, comma PRD version. That's all. That's all. So just try to observe the line. So what is happening here? In the format, I am taking 2 variables, product name and product version. Now product name is sitting into the 0th placeholder. Product version is sitting into the 1 placeholder. Okay, so you start with the placeholder as 0. You start with the number 2 placeholder is 1. But placeholder always with the curly braces here. It should be integer. Or you can give any other thing. So let me show. Now I am giving integer. Okay, let me see output is coming or not. Okay, what is output now? My mobile is Nexus and version is 7. Output came. There is no issue. Okay, the same thing I want to work with the one more way. Placeholder is A. Placeholder is B. For understanding purpose. I am writing A, B, C, D. Previously, I am giving numbers. This time, I am giving A, B. What is the problem? A will not take. A is something like a string. It will not take. Let me go with a. Then it will take or not. Let me check. A will take or not. No. Syntax error. So it means the specifier should be an integer. So I am giving 101, 100, 100, 101. Previously I am giving 0 and 1. This time I am giving 100, 101. It will take or not? So replacement of index 100 is out of range of the positional arguments in tuple. So 100 you can't give. Position start with 0. Index position starts with what? 0. You have to start with the 0. So 100 is out of the range. 100 is out of the range for the tuple. So this is as tuple. This is a tuple. Tuple index starts with the 0. So later I will tell the tuple. Tuples man tarvata vastayi. When I am going with the tuple, tuple is parenthesis. Tuple is one collection. And collection index starts with the 0. You have to specify with the 0. You have to specify with the 0. Remember it. Okay. So this will not work out. This out of the range. Out of the range is there is no 100th position value here. Only we have two values. We don't have 100 values in the tuple. We don't have 100 values in the tuple. We have only two values. But value starting with the 0, you have to start with the 0. Okay, that is a formatting. So out of the range, this is giving you error out of the position, tuple position out of the range. Tuple position out of the range. So that is the error for this line. This line will not work out. You can keep commenting. This line will not work out. You can keep commenting. Okay, now my mobile Nexus version is 7. That is clear. That is clear. Now my requirement is very simple. My mobile is Nexus. For this I spent 34,000 rupees or 34,000 rupees. Yes, 34,000 rupees. Okay, so this is my requirement. This is my requirement. Now tell me with the format way. Tell me with the format way. Previously we are done with the concatenation, but here this time I'm not working with the concatenation. This time I'm working with the format process. My mobile, okay, my mobile, this is a string only and is okay. Nexus, but Nexus is coming with the placeholder. Okay, what is the placeholder? 0. For this, I spent how much? 1 dot format. Okay, what is the 0th placeholder? It's a product name, PRD name. Nexus is the PRD name. And second one is price. Price is PRD price. PRD name, comma PRD price. Previous example, we are working with the PRD name and PRD version. And this line, PRD name and PRD price. That's all. Okay, you can execute it. Okay, so my mobile is Nexus. For this, I spent 34,000 rupees. Okay, so in this way, you can try to execute multiple examples. You can write your name, your age, your qualification, whatever you want, and try to work with the concatenation process. Try to work with the format process also. Okay, I'm giving a product example. You can try to work out with your details or your family details or your pet details, whatever you want. You can do. Right? Can I go with the third process? Print format with the percentile s. Third way is that only, right? Third way. What is the third way here? Print format with the, this is the second way. And what is the first way? Print format with the concatenation. The next one, print format with the format method. Third one, print format with the percentile s. Okay, so now let me take different things. Course name is Python. Duration is 30 hours. Price or fees 10,000. Now there is a one more way to print all the values. Percentile s. Okay, what is the requirement? Requirement first. Python course fees is 10,000. This is my requirement. This is my requirement. So percentile S course fees is percentile S. Then percentile. First one is Python. Python is course name. Then comma. Second one fees. Comma is needed. Comma is not taken. Okay, so what is the output of this book? Python course fees is 10,000. So this third process also working or not? Third process also working or not? So here remember, here there is no format. Here there is no format method. For format method compulsory you need to give the dot symbol. After the colon, you have to give the dot. Here I don't have any dot. I have to give the percentile. Instead of dot format, you have to give the percentile. Instead of dot format, you have to give the percentile. And in dot format, compulsory placeholders index value with curly braces. But here there is no index. Directly percentile S. Percentile S is specifier. Specifier. Course name is going to be storing here. Fees is going to be storing here. Getting my point? Okay. Now there is one more example. I want to tell you one more example for this. It's raining. One more example. So one more thing. Python course fees is 10,000 and duration is 30 hours. Tell me how to do this. Print of percentile S course fees is percentile S and duration is percentile S. That's all. And percentile, the first value, percentile S. Wrong. Percentile S. Okay. First percentile, course name. Second percentile, fees. Third percentile, duration. Exactly. So duration. Executed. Course fees is okay. Python course fees is 10,000 and duration is 30 hours. So this is also working. This is a way of print formatting process. This is a way of print formatting process. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now let's try to work out with the type conversions or type method. What is the type method? So one important thing, type method. You have to understand about the type method. Type method is giving type of the object. Type method is giving type of the object. For example, x is equal to 10. What is the type of x? I want to check the type of x. Name is equal to Srinivas. What is the type of the name? What is the type of the name? I want to check like this. Let's go. Type method. Type.py. type.py. So type method, we are working with the type method now. We are working with the type method now. So let me go with the x is equal to 10. What is the type of the print of type of print చేయాలి కదా, print of type of x. Next name is equal to Srinivas. Print of type of print of అంటే ఒక parenthesis, type of అంటే another parenthesis. Print of means one parenthesis, type of means one more parenthesis. Final output is, the first one is a type is integer, the second one type is string. Next y is equal to 10.67. Print of type of y. Output, it's a floating type. It's a floating type. Next a is equal to true. Print of type of a. What is the print of type of a? It's a boolean value. Boolean value having only two values, true and false. Next print of b is equal to, so array 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Print of type of b. What is the type of this? It's a kind of list. It's a kind of list item. Okay. Now c is equal to parenthesis 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. Print of type of c. Type of tuple. Type of tuple. So I did not discuss about the data types. In the coming class, we will discuss about the data types and type conversions also. In the coming class, variables, data types, type conversions. Tomorrow class. And day after tomorrow, we will be having the workshop, Saturday. We will be having the workshop 11 to 1. You have to be prepared for that. That workshop actually, basic Python already covered in the last class. And this class, your running class also included with the workshop. Please come at 11 o'clock, 11 to 1:30 or 1:30, 11 to 1:30 you will go. And it should be 2.5 hour workshop. Come with your breakfast. Breakfast is running. 2.5 hours continuous session. That could be available 11 o'clock on Saturday. And tomorrow I will cover variables, data types, type conversions. Am I clear? And operators also we will cover tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll take a long time for you. I'll cover variables, operators, all these things. For continuation of the Saturday. For continuation of the Saturday, tomorrow I'll take a more time. 11 to 12:30 something like 11 to 12:30 or 1.